Hello friends, hope you all are fine. So friends, today I am going to discuss about the limpet adaptations. Limpets are soft-bodied molluscs protected by a hard conical shell. They are found in the intertidal and subtidal zones. Learn about the adaptation of limpets in this animal's sec post. No trespassing. The species Lotai gingatia is one which marks its territory. It aggressively pushes other organisms out of its area by crushing them with its shell, thus preserving in its patch of algae for its own feeding. Limpets are marine creatures which belong to the phylum Molluscus and class Gastrophoda. They are mainly found within the mid-intertidal, intertidal and subtidal zones of sea source. The structure of limpet is same as other molluscs. They have three distinct regions: the head, foot, which facilitate locomotion, and sensory reception, the visceral mass, comprising the digestive, circulatory, excretory and reproductive system, and the mantle surrounding the visceral mass. They have flattened, conical and cap-shaped cells that can be smooth or radial ribbed. The cells of limpet are generally white, pink, grey, dark brown or green with a yellow tint at times. Some of them also have white spot and radial rays. The inner side of the foot is yellow, dull orange or brown and with green or grey shade. The mantle is fringed with tentacles internal to which lies the pallial gills. There are various groups of limpets that come from various ancestral gastropods. True limpets are marine limpets that belong to the order Patellogastrophoda, subclass Egastrophoda. Besides this, the term limpet is also used for various types of snails in the subclass Orthogastrophoda. They include the marine limpets like keyhole limpets family, Fissurlidae, the slipper limpets family, Cleparadidae, the hoop limpets family, Hipponex, limpets like Tylonodina and Umbraculum, and the pulmonate false limpets family, Spinonaria. Adaptation. Food. There are two important adaptations that protect true limpets. One is the physical defense of the cell, another is the adhering strength of the food that protects limpets against the force of waves and attack by predators such as shore birds, fish, small mammals, cells and humans. There are two ways in which the foot attachment work. One is the suction, which enables limpet to strongly attach to the rocks with no restriction on movement. The foot adders as well slide across a smooth surface. However, when limpets move across holes or uneven surface, their foot becomes susceptible to leaks. The other mention of attachment is glue-like adhesion. Here the foot attaches to the surface with the help of a sticky foot mucus. This mode provides greater resistance to forces and there are no chances of leaks as well. Cells. The cup-shaped cells of limpets is an adaptation that enables them to thrive on higher rocks and near the sea. Limpets living near the water have flatter and small cells so that the force of waves cannot beat against them and pull them away. Those thriving in higher rocks have higher and wider cells. They are at a higher risk of destruction due to less frequent contact with water, sunlight, water evaporation and the winds. Their tight grip to the rock with the help of their foot enables them to trap some water inside their shell and prevent themselves from drying out. They also secrete chemicals that promote the growth of the cells. Lungs. As an adaptation to the breathing, almost all marine limpets possess gills, while all the freshwater limpets and a few marine limpets possess a mantle cavity that serves as a lung. The keyhole limpets have a hole at the top of their cells through which water is expelled out after it is drawn in form of base of the cell. Camouflage. The cells of limpets differ in appearance and may change color from time to time. Their cells have colors that look like the surface of rocks they inhabit, which provide camouflage and protection. Many limpets are often covered in green marine algae, which makes it difficult to recognize them. Teeth and tongue. Limpets feed on a variety of things depending upon their habitat. Varied species of limpets possess structurally different teeth that functions as scraping tools. Truth limpets scrape off and feed on algal spores and bit of plant matter from the rock. They do this with the radula, which is a ribbon-like tongue with many teeth, at least 12 in each row. Equal-sized blunt radula teeth are present in limpets that feed on coral lineage. Limpets that feed on rock substrates have unequal sized sharp teeth. Limpets that feed on marine agiosperms have broad and flat topped teeth. There are also certain smaller species of true limpets that live on sea grasses and graze on the microscopic algae that grow through. Some other species like and feed on the stalk of brown algae. The keyhole and slit limpets are usually carnivorous and feed on sponges, corals and other sessile animals. Locomotion. Limpets move with the help of their broad, flat muscular foot. This is achieved by deforming their body so that small transverse waves travel along their foot from back to front, thereby enabling them to move forward. Behavior. While dilute but watered during high tides, they move into the sea and then come back to the same spot. It is still not clear how limpets return to the same spot every time, but it is believed that they leave a mucus trail along its path and flow it to come to the spot. This spot forms scratches engraved by the edges of their cells, which enables a limpet to form a better home scar. Limpets reproduce there through a behavior called spawning. It happens once a year, usually during winter. Several females release eggs and males release sperms into the water where the eggs fertilized. Some species of limpets are known to undergo sex change from male to female. They are initially males and change to females after attaining a certain size. Limpets have been a food source for humans since early times. They are also used in artwork and as jewelry. Also, it has been found that limpets have very strong teeth, even stronger than spider silk due to the protein structure strengthened by nanofibers of a mineral called goethite. Performance engineers are thinking about creating better and more robust vehicles like bicycle, boats and race cars out of limpet teeth in the near future.